Do you want to start speaking Spanish from day one? These 10 phrases and words will be your survival kit. Ready to learn them? Grab pen and paper and let's get into it. Make sure to stay till the end because we'll be practicing them together. And also download my free Spanish cheat sheet, okay, which I have modified and added these survival phrases for you. When you start learning Spanish, you don't need to study everything. You just need to start with some phrases, useful words and phrases to make you start speaking from day one. So let's start. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Estoy bien. I'm good. Estoy bien. ¿Y tú? I'm good. And you? ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo, in my case, me llamo Marta. Muchas gracias por. I'm so grateful or thank you. Muchas gracias por. And after por, you write down, you say why or what are you grateful for. De nada. That means you're welcome. De nada. No hay problema. No problem. No hay problema. Muy amable. That's nice of you. Muy amable. ¿Puedes repetir? Can you say that again? ¿Puedes repetir? Más lento, por favor. Slower, please. Más lento, por favor. Okay, so let's practice together. I'm going to ask you a question. You pause the video and answer. Okay? Are you ready? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Remember, pause the video. So here you can say estoy bien, I'm good. Estoy mal, I'm not good. ¿Cómo te llamas? Muchas gracias por acompañarme. That means I'm so grateful or thank you for coming with me. So, do you feel more confident? I really hope so. Remember to keep these words and phrases on hand so that you can start using them immediately in your Spanish conversations. Knowing, learning these phrases will give you the confidence you need to start speaking. Okay, so keep them close to you in a notebook. And the good thing is that as you keep learning Spanish, you can add more and more, and your vocabulary and your understanding and your phrases in Spanish will be so much more complex. But for now, stay with these ones till you know them by heart. We'll be learning more in my next video. And remember to keep on learning. You have more videos to watch. You have here 1 or 2 suggested, and down you have all the links with more videos that could interest you. And remember to download my free ebook, Spanish Cheat Sheet, okay? If you have any doubts, just comment down below, okay? And I will get back to you. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you in our next one. Bye!